Hello, I'm Sarah, and I'm here to invite you to 4 free sound bath telemeditations. So, what do they entail? Well, I think the best thing I can do is give you a demonstration of the sound energy that I work with. A lot of people have problems with tension in the neck and shoulders. And so what I'd like to do here is share a little bit of sound energy for your neck and shoulder area. Can I suggest that you make yourself comfortable, make your shoulders as comfortable as possible, and close your eyes? You may or may not be aware of hands on your shoulders. This is because when I work one-on-one, I would be most likely to stand behind somebody and put my hands on their shoulders to start with. Now what I would like you to do is to take 3 deep breaths for me, please. Now just relax and allow the sound to wash over you, and feel the vibration in the area of your neck and shoulders. If you have any discomfort in your neck and shoulders and find that that discomfort is moving, just allow the sound, the energy of the sound, to follow the movement of that discomfort, that pain. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope will encourage you to join in the free sound bath telemeditations, which are going to work on the whole body, balancing the chakras, re-energizing your aura, and emotional. If you're thinking, that wasn't long enough, please feel free to listen again. And you will be able to find this on YouTube if this isn't where you found it. Under Sara Jane, S-A-R-A, there's no H, Sara Jane, and Sound Energy. Thank you for listening. I hope you will join us on the calls. Love, peace and light. Namaste.